cops get behind you, just freaking gas it. Yeah, that way they can't read your plates. Even though he's hella reading my plates. But I'm out of here.
Why would you read your plates?
My plates are hella expired on this car.
Oh, are they?
You see how I hecka got away from that cop? That's how you do it, bro. Why do you want him right next to you? And look, I'm not gonna give him much options.
Dude, that's such a...
I'm gonna switch lanes and see what he does. I'm testing him now. What you gonna do, bro?
I think he switched lanes.
Nah. He's not gonna follow me. We're out of here, guys. Yeah, that's what you do when a cop gets behind you.
Dude,
that's what you do.
Trick.
Yeah, because look,
like,
now he's leaving. Yeah, it was a cop. Look,
dude, he's all like, this guy's speeding. Obviously, he doesn't.
He's not doing.
Get stopped.
He's not doing
but dude,
snaps.
If a person is driving really cautiously,
really slow, suspicious.
He's driving extra careful. Doesn't want to get stopped.
I know, hecka suspicious.
Dude, I learned something from you right now, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I do that all the time. When they get right behind me, I'm like, nope.
Oh my god.
Not me.
That is, I've never heard that. Hey,
it's a Nelson thing. It's a POV Nelson thing.
Dude, that is a Nelson thing. Dude,
oh,
there's a cop right behind me.
I ain't doing nothing.
Faster.
I'm gonna start going faster.
I've never heard that one, dude. You don't remember Fetty Wap?
All right, guys. No, I remember Fetty Wap. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We just put some gas.
And look at all this natural light that's coming in from these artificial bulbs.
For sure. All right, guys. Let's put on a song, bro. Let me know if you guys know this song. Hello, Mustang, bro. Yellow, I gotta tell you, there's... Oh, someone's calling me. Yeah, but it's pretty old. Dude, that Mustang is sweet, but it still looks really nice. Someone's calling me right now.
Watch this guy. Not sponsored. Sora the troll. He lives in Japan and he speaks English and he does like trolly videos.
We should just troll.
He does a live stream where he walks around Japan and he'll like read people's comments and like people donate a certain amount of money to have their comment highlighted and stuff like that.
Whoa.
So like, I mean, he does it for fun, but people are glad to donate to him just because he's so entertaining.
Yeah, I definitely want to start a donate thing. Donate to Nelson POV. 100%. Yeah.
I don't know if anyone want to donate.
Yeah, you never know.
I want to donate to someone that entertains me.
Uh-huh.
Like today, I was watching. It not only that entertains me, but teaches me can take with me.
Yeah.
Well,
hey, watch the language.
Stuff that makes me better and like adds to my skill set.
Well, I make
I'll
people
give you an example. I was watching
people happier.
Videos.
I'm like ice cream
on how to repair bicycles, and the guy at the end of his video, he's all like, "Oh, hey guys, we also have t-shirts. They're nothing special. They come in like 2 different colors, and it just has our logo." And I'm all like, "Dude, I want that t-shirt." And I'm all like thinking to myself, dude, I never want t-shirts from people. They're all like, oh yeah, buy my merch, buy my merch. Dude, I don't give, you know,
money
about your merch. But dude, I want this guy's shirt because like subconsciously I'm thinking, why the heck do I want this shirt? I want this shirt because I like this guy. I think he's cool. And I like him and I think he's cool because he teaches me how to fix up bicycles through YouTube. And not only that, he's super entertaining and funny. So I'm like, dude, there's so many reasons why I instantly wanted that shirt. I just didn't know it.
No.
And buying that shirt is a type of donation because once you do, the proceeds go towards him.
I'm funny. I'm entertaining. I think
you can be entertaining. You can be funny.
Like I know they're a little dull and stuff, you know.
Yeah, and now you have to.
Because this,
I mean, you don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
But like,
I was doing videos where I would give a lot of information, but you know what? Now that I'm doing this kind of like vlog style, I'm getting different comments and different things from different people.
Yeah.
So. On my information videos, every single day I would get someone putting me down. Someone would be like, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about.
Yeah, dude, of course.
This guy's this and that. But look, then I started doing vlogging. That's their job. Then I started vlogging, and now I'm like, I'm kind of just talking nonsense, honestly. I'm just talking about my day, how I'm doing, my car.
There's nothing to talk crap about.
So, no, there is. So some guy commented, he's like, you're the reason that society is this.
Good.
You said dude in your video 20 times. How much times did you say bruh?
Good.
Yeah, honestly,
Good.
I mean, you know, I'm going towards the entertainment stuff.
Subconsciously, that person commenting.
Where's the money? Is it in education,
dude,
or is it in entertainment?
Dude, that
where's the money?
watching your video. And if he watches this part, me talking about him watching the video, he's gonna get a little upset, but he's still watching the video.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. So I get different comments from different people, switching my style and this and that, so it just happens. But I mean, if you guys are still watching, someone's watching, I hope.
Evolution.
You know, I love you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you think of the Camry. Become another Camry.
I'm another person.
I love the Camry.
What car did I see today that was pretty cool? Oh, dude, I saw. Okay, you know that white Lamborghini?
White Lamborghini?
The white Lamborghini.
With the black bumpers? It has black front bumper and a black rear bumper.
Yeah. I think they added a spoiler. I think they added a black spoiler.
I think they got in a car accident.
They would, of course.
Yeah. I think it's supposed to be all white.
Dude, well, check this out.
Mm-hmm.
The car has been somewhat ruined. Okay, so it was driving past the dealership today.
Yeah, I see it in Turlock, down Golden State all the time.
I heard something and I decided to look, and it was the white Lamborghini. And I'm all like thinking to myself, oh, it's a white Lamborghini. But dude, the exhaust sound is garbage.
Oh, I hate that.
Dude.
Jason's truck sounds like garbage too.
All right, just in case I didn't say dude enough for you to complain.
Dude.
Bruh.
Yeah.
That exhaust sound is completely drowning out the sound of the machine. And dude, it's a Lamborghini. It sounds beautiful. It's music to people's ears.
It should sound exotic.
It should, exactly, yes.
If it sounds like a Silverado, then you totally totally just failed.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Yeah. No, I'm serious, because look, when you got a Mustang, it should sound like a Mustang.
Yeah.
If you drive a little Honda, it's gonna sound like a little lawnmower, you know? It's gonna, which I like the sound.
And if it sounds like a good...
An Integra, bro. I want an Integra so bad.
Yeah, dude, the Integras sound really good.
Yeah, and then I just seen a 92 Honda Civic at auction with 150 miles completely repainted to poop. Looked like it was done by spray paint. Sell for like $6,000 at the auction. Oh, I got a cop behind me. I'm gonna race him.
Yeah.
Look at my RPMs, 3,000. This is what you do when the... Okay, bro, I'm about to be 32 in a couple days, and I've never had a speeding ticket, and I do not need to knock on wood. Yeah. Because I say it all, I've been saying it for the last 10 years. No tickets. Wow. Been into a couple accidents.
Yeah.
I think you were in the car one time when I wrecked that Mercedes Benz.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I have wrecked.
You were driving it.
What do you mean?
You were driving
I was in a Volvo.
Yeah.
And I destroyed that Mercedes Benz. I salvaged it out, but nothing happened to my Volvo. It got some scratches and we sanded it out like 5 minutes later. Insanity. That thing was built like some kind of European tank. But I will tell you this about my Volvo. When I broke my headlight, it was made out of glass, and I had to order it, and it came from like somewhere over there, like over there in the European places, and it took a month to come in. And I remember tracking it, and it told me, the tracking number told me it was overseas. It came on boat.
It's in the ocean right now.
It was in the freaking ocean where they shipped it to me.
Dude, I mean, what's more impressive, having it go through the ocean like Christopher Columbus, or having it go through
a plane?
Exactly.
It was like, I was like, oh, when's this gonna come in? But at the exact same time, I was amazed. I was like, holy crap, that's awesome. That's awesome. And the thing about a Volvo is they're really expensive. And if you love your wife, or if whoever you give a Volvo to, you must love them, because it's one of the safest cars you can get. But so easy to work on. I replaced the headlight and it was so easy. All the parts were perfect. They were perfect. They fit perfectly, installed perfectly. Everything was perfect on that thing. It was insanity. Great experience with that Volvo. That's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. POV night drive with my bro. 149,000 miles on the cluster. This thing drives amazing. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Ciao.